Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Gildo Glass Dildo number 15. So let's get started. So this is the Glass Dildo number 15 itself. Now this is the perfect gift for yourself or your partner. A glass dildo is something different and is also very unique. It's very strong and made of transparent glass, so it makes the dildo firm, smooth and very suitable for temperature play. For example, you could pop this in the fridge for a few cool sensations or place it in warm water for extra warm sensations as well. Now it has a slightly bent shaft just here and a bent tip, which makes pinpoint stimulation of the G-spot and P-spot possible. It has a stimulating ribbed shaft which provides extra stimulation with every thrust. It's also very beautifully coloured with red ribbing all around. Now you can combine this glass dildo with your favourite lubricant. You can use either a water-based lubricant or you can also use a silicone-based lubricant. Both can be combined with glass. Make sure to clean your glass dildo after every use, and for this we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. Also included is a Gildo luxury toy bag to pop your glass dildo in. This helps to keep it dust free and safe and perfect for travel as well. And that is the Gildo Glass Dildo number 15. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.